And this is what I'm gonna use to scalp the grass. It's made by American Lawn Mower. It's a 18-inch reel mower. Just let me grab this out of the box. Okay. So 18-inch push reel lawn mower. American Ninja, and that's the model 1815-18. I'm gonna have to assemble this, but let me get that done and we'll get mowing. Alright, so there she is, fully assembled. Now just to make some height adjustments on this, I'm gonna bring it up to like the second notch from the top. So get it about at 2 inches, because this goes up to about 2.75 inches and as low as half an inch. So I want it up to about 2 inches, since my lawn I can't really cut too low on it, or it's gonna be almost exposed to all the stolons. So let's keep it at about 2. So once I adjust this, we can go mow.